Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Minilla or Baby Godzilla. So, to start off with him, we're going to begin with his eyes. So, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and down for one eye and then down and up for the other eye. Then I'm going to do the same thing right here, kind of like a football shape for his eyes. Then he's got some pretty big pupils inside here, so I'm going to color two big pupils in. Then right above his eye, I'm going to draw a little line for an eyelid on each side. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then kind of curves in for his nose. And then I'm going to draw two little dots for his nostrils. Then starting right here by his eye, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And I'm just going to curve it down and then up like this. Then for his eyebrows, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up and then it's going to kind of curve over here. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw another line that just kind of curves up, and this one's just going to kind of come down. And then right here, I'm going to curve this one kind of up to a little bit of a rounded point, and then I'm just going to kind of bring it down here. Then I'm just going to curve this into here. Now, he's got some different looking eyebrows. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves up and then down. And then the same thing here, I'm just going to curve up and then down. Now for his mouth, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it around here. And then right here, I'm just going to kind of curve this down, and then just kind of bring it up here. Then right here, I'm just going to kind of curve this in for his neck. Now, starting right here, kind of like where his neck and mouth meet, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then over here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve down like this for his shoulder. Now for his arm, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve like this and then kind of curve out. And for his hand, I'm just going to draw a line that kind of curves up and then back down for his thumb. And then I'm just going to draw a line that curves up and down for one finger, and then make a little bit longer one here, and then a little bit shorter one here. And then I'm just going to curve this right into here. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and then back up. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to come and curve right here. Then starting here, I'm just going to curve a line to here. And then I'm just going to curve another line right here for his arm. Then I'm going to kind of do the same thing I did up here. I'm just going to draw a line that curves up and down for his thumb. And then a line that's just going to curve out like this for one finger, a little bit longer one for his next one, and then a shorter one for the last one. Then I'll bring it back to the arm. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then out. And then I'm actually just going to kind of curve this line around here. Then I'm going to draw another line that starts here. I'm just going to kind of curve this down and bring it up here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and it's just going to kind of curve right to around here. Now for his legs. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and I'm just going to bring it down to about here. And then his feet, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come out and go to a point and curve back for one of his toes. Then I'm going to draw another one here and another one there. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it around up to here. And then I'm just going to bring it back up to here. Now I'm going to start here. I'm just going to curve a line down and bring it to here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up like this. And then down and up again. And then down and up one more time. And I'm just going to kind of curve it around for his foot. Then here I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves up and in, and then kind of back out to here. And then I'm just going to draw another line that curves up to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And then I'm going to put a little bump here, and then I'm just going to draw the end of the tail, and then curve it back up here. Now for some of his little details, he doesn't have a ton of them on here. So I'm just going to give him a couple triangle teeth in his mouth on the top and the bottom. And then he does have some little lines on his mouth right here. I'm going to draw a little line around here for the other side of his nose. I'm going to curve some of these lines in right around his face and add a couple more lines around here. And then just a couple detailed lines around there. I'm going to make some curved lines right around his neck. And then just add a couple little lines around his arms. And then a few extra lines. He almost has kind of like wrinkles, almost kind of like you'd see on like a little baby, especially like those little newborn ones. And then I'm just going to add some extra lines on here. And I'm going to put a few extra lines by his legs. And just a couple little lines going down too. And just a couple extra little lines all around here. And then I'll throw just a couple lines on his tail. A few lines on his feet, and we got to give him his little claws on his feet. And just a couple little lines around his face. And the claws on his hand. And there you go. There is your drawing of Minilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.